02.
No, not 902. 0209.
Yeah.
0209 020902. Yeah.
Correct,
So
correct.
this is also Slack catcher, right?
Select catcher only. I'm able to see one LT here. Are you sharing screen?
Actually, this one, right? Because Chairman, I
Yeah.
think you need to take the PNIDs from the guys, Vargab and Amin, and let's use that, yeah. Because this, after the HASOP, there's so many modifications, yeah.
For the tag numbers.
For the tag numbers.
Because that during the HASOP, we have highlighted that there's some misdiscrepancy.
Yes, and
Yeah,
also,
yeah.
you know, during the HASOP itself, what we have earlier during the HASOP, we have
Markup.
we also have this, you know, this hips on
Oh,
level, not on
yes.
pressure, yeah. So
So,
this
I
is a
mean,
bit
okay. I mean,
very different.
can you please.
Otherwise, for the meantime, I will say share my screen.
Yeah, please, please. And I mean, meantime, please make highlight all the alarm so that we are ready.
Okay, so this is this one, yeah. LS
Yeah, it is there, yes, correct.
2902. This
Correct.
is a trip on high.
Correct, correct. So right. So that means let us go for the. I mean, this is again emergency shutdown function. I will share my screen. Yeah. So guys, we are talking about this one. I will highlight with this color. And this is abnormal condition, of course, yes.
Yes.
This has been credited in HOP, it is mentioned. And since there is one S minimum, so it is valid category.
Valid, yeah.
So what is the cause for this one? Cause for this one is what? High level closure of FCB and SDB, right? SDB.
Yeah. Let me see more flow.
Yeah.
More level is it? And inadvertent closing. So now it's the other way, right, Chairman?
It's above the close.
Just go to your worksheet, right? And then just copy will say now close
Now,
instead
the
of
control
open,
valve
right?
inadvertent closed.
Low.
Now go to your worksheet of your
Yeah, you are not seeing
alarm rationalization.
More level.
Yeah, go to more level here. More level.
high level.
Yeah. One more. Yeah, that one. Yeah.
This one. So this is
Yes.
2.
Yes.
This is inadvertent closure of FCB.
Yes. So you copy this and change the tag again to 02.